Hi, this is Suna, the author of Being, Peace, and The Dragon Adventure. That's my children's book. I wrote all three books with you in mind, with the facilitating abilities I have to offer you a development of healthy habits, development of who you truly are, development of your creative abilities. Writing is my creative ability. And I wrote Being as kind of a book with a recognition that each one of us is valuable and real, and our experiences are real, and we are all living our experience of life as we choose. And it has lots of little sayings and poems and little pictures and stuff to kind of give you a stimulus of accessing yourself in a deeper way. So this is really about opening up yourself to being who you are, not needing to do anything, but just being who you are. And then the second book is called Peace, Discovering Life's Harmony Through Relationships. It's expanding on who we are because we're always in relationships. And it's a relationship in itself. This book is a relationship with you and me and with many others, because I write some thoughts, some ideas, some questions. I give you some exercises, and then you write your deeper thoughts here. As one woman just told me, she says, I work with people all day long. I have many, many clients, and I'm always thinking of them. Reading and working this book was so nice to think of myself, to really spend time with myself and care about myself. So this is also in the same type of format, little pictures and poems and thoughts. This one has exercises in it, though, as you can see. And it even has at the very back a drawing by a young lady, a 12-year-old who picked up her mother's book, Being book, and was so inspired that she drew this. And I thought that was fantastic. So that's what I'm looking for, is to help you access what's in you and to be inspired, to create, to really enjoy. So, and then the last book that I'm presenting here is the children's book. And this is a developmental book, The Dragon Adventure. It's basically 10 Qigong movements that I've turned into a story. And this gives children healthy habits intellectually, emotionally, physically, and socially. And I do explain that a little bit more in the very beginning to the parents. And then it's got beautiful illustrations by an artist, Vivian. But you can see how we put the person inside of the picture, so you get an idea of how the movements go, right? Oh, excuse me. And then at the end, it actually has the instructions of how to do the movements and creativity pages where your child gets to write their own kind of imagination stuff. And then also charts to be able to keep track of developing your healthy habits. Thank you so much for watching this. You can access me at my website, sunasenman.com, I have a Facebook page, Suna Life, where I present readings and meditations, and I also have YouTube. But what I'd really like to inspire you to do at this time is to pick up one of these books, or all three: Being, A Process; Peace, Discovering Life's Harmony Through Relationships; and The Dragon Adventure, something that's really fun to do yourself or together with some young ones. Enjoy today with blessings.